Gimbal Mode. As you can see, this is not a gimbal, but a new smartphone. However, the product still provides all of the gimbal functions. Therefore, its name is Gimbal Mode. Now, let's take a look at its varied functions one by one. Joystick. When you move the joystick left, right, up, down, the camera screen moves in the corresponding directions. You can execute your desired function directly from the controller without even having to touch the main display. Pan-follow mode. This function is useful mainly when you want to shoot on the move. In this mode, the movements on your left and right are captured on the screen as you move. Rotation in the roll and tilt directions gets fixed, but the movements in the pan direction are kept stable. Follow mode. In this mode, your cameras pan and tilt. In other words, it's like PF mode, but coupled with tilt movements added to the screen. This function enables you to take pictures without shaking your camera while freely directing it upwards, downwards, left and right. Rotation in the roll direction gets fixed, but your movements are reflected in the pan and tilt directions. In this mode, the horizontal state of the image in the video is maintained. Fpv Mode. In this mode, pan, tilt, and roll movements are captured on the screen. This mode allows for a screen with much smoother motion than existing Steadicams. The shaking of the camera is suppressed for all three rotations so that only your camera movements are reflected in the video. When you want to shoot dynamic videos from a first-person perspective, this is the function you need to use. Perfect for when flashy dance moves are performed in step with some music. Lock function. This function fixes the camera's focus by limiting its movements in all directions. When you hold down the lock button, the camera's angle stays fixed. Doing so fixes all three of the camera's rotation angles, i.e. the pan, tilt, and roll angles. Therefore, when you intend to capture the scene in front of you, but not those viewable from the side, this function is what you need. 4 shooting modes and a joystick function to boot. Easy, right? Now, shoot shake-free videos of smooth picture quality like a pro with Gimbal Motion Camera.